If you're an entrepreneur or trying to build some kind of online business, I have this one trick to help you keep you more accountable and more productive. Because as I know myself, it's sometimes hard to keep yourself accountable. There's no boss telling you what you should do, when you should work, how much you should work. So one thing that has helped me a lot is clocking in, clocking out. I'm not sure if I can show you, but I have this app, Clockify. I'm not sponsored or anything. It's completely free. And I just clock in when I work and clock out when I stop working. Even when I go to the toilet, go talk to my girlfriend or something, that keeps me very honest and accountable on how much time I'm actually working versus what I'm not. I'm not lying to myself. I'm working 12 hours a day while still just fucking around. I know exactly how much time I'm spending productively on the work that actually matters. So if you haven't tried it, I recommend it so much on just clocking in and clocking out of work as an online entrepreneur.